Day 42. Do you love me? John 21:17. He said to him the third time, Simon, son of John, do you love me? Peter was grieved, was saddened and hurt that he should ask him the third time, do you love me? And he said to him, Lord, you know everything. You know that I love you. Jesus said to him, feed my sheep. 3 denials, 3 questions. Jesus did not condemn Peter. He restored him. Each question pierced deeper, exposing the wound of absolute failure. Peter could no longer boast. He appealed to Jesus' knowledge, not his own confidence. You know that I love you. Arrested development insists, I will. Abiding development confesses, you know. Maturity is love purified through breaking. Peter was entrusted with the Lord's sheep only after self had been exposed. Love that feeds others is not sentimental, but tested. Jesus restores us not to comfort us only, but to commission us. Broken men become shepherds because they no longer trust themselves. Love becomes secure and safe when it rests in Him. Shepherds can become a trusted leader only once their only trust is in Christ. It is pivotal that we become those who truly understand the ways of the Father. For we are those who have now exchanged the self-life for Christ life. The old life is already under condemnation. This is why Jesus knew that he would restore Peter to the original plan, which was that Peter would inherit the very life of Christ and come to trust only in Christ as life. This is why failure need not be feared. It must be experienced, not only once, but usually it is necessary a few more times. With each step of development in this abiding way of life, it is brought home to us again and again. No matter how far we have come with Him, no matter how long on the journey we have accompanied Him in our oneness, we are reminded again at new depths that we have not made ourselves lovers of God. He did that. It's from this place that Peter spoke and said, you know, because you have made me a lover of you. I did not do that. You did. And you know it. Now it was very important that Peter knew it and lived in the freedom of it. And so it is with us. So it is with you. How deeply aware are you that He has made you a lover of Him? He has poured His love into you. And as you allow Him to love you, you come to find that will be the very love that you love Him with. And properly, then you will love yourself out of that same love. And then you will be a lover of your neighbor as you are loving yourself out of that same source. And throughout it all, there can be no pride. Only the boasting in Christ Himself and in His ways, and again, in His absolute brilliance